Hello guys, how are you? Good morning. Assalamualaikum. Marhaba. We have a bowling tournament today, guys. At Dubai Bowling Center in Al Mamsar, Dubai. Let's go, guys. Join me. Let's play bowling. Okay? This is Yorme 23. Welcome to my vlog. Hello Philippines, welcome to Dubai. Boss Sunil, good morning. Namaste, Jojo Lapa.
Namaste. What's up?
What's up, man?
Dumating ako 9:45.
Shout out! Customer service! Perfume shop! This is my
Anong
friend.
customer service?
Rekra.
Parang mali yung narinig ko ah.
Hey, Yorme, shout out.
Gucci lang.
Ex-customer service, ex-Gucci.
Gucci lang ang sakalam.
Oh, LT na ako ngayon.
LT number 1.
Black sir.
There to assist you in your assignment. Lanes number 13 to 16. Approach the piano. Lanes number 17 to 20. Approach.
My friend, how are you?
Lanes 21 to 24. Approach Kaita.
Abdelari, shout out, Concourse. Number 1.
Lanes number 21.
Sandro Marudo. How are you?
Lanes 1 to 4. Lanes 1 to Alright, committee members, get ready. We're going to start in a few minutes.
Shout out, Putes.
Shout out sa mga ano dyan.
Ladies and gentlemen,
promotion. We are very excited about it. We are hoping to do the draw for the 500 winner on the 7th of May. And it's an extraordinary success, this particular promotion. And the marketing team, the team in operations, cyber finance team, all of you guys together, helped it to make the success. And to run this promotion successfully in 1999 now has been amazing. And lastly, the third thing I wanted to say was the business has been fantastic this month. We are about 14% up on budget on the last year for the month. And at this time, thanks to all of you, each and every one of the 5,980 people that we have on the team, they make it possible. We are just under 5% over budget for the year, and it's been an amazing performance. We had a fantastic team. The sales during the year was great, much better than last year, and we are really, really happy with the sales performance. So thank you all for doing it. With that, I'll give the mic back to the boss, Joseph.
Thank you very much. word. So at this point, allow to acknowledge the presence of our executive management who are with us this morning. Once again, starting with... Look at that. How about our team from lanes number 19 to 35? Join our MD as we throw the first ball. Bro, MD, you are such a pro. Let's give it up once again for our manager. All of us, join us in a group photo, please. Our executive management team, our vice presidents, managers, officers, supervisors, Irish Village, and all of us who are here this morning, please join us in one big group photo. Come on. Committee members, please facilitate.
Thank you very much to all my big boss for this wonderful event of 36 Dubai Bowling International. Stay healthy and take care always, my big boss.
Management team, of course, thank you very much for gracing our quick program today. Issues that our team may encounter. Our tournament
Shout out CD, number 1.
at exactly 11 a.m. Please make sure that the only players will be allowed inside the approach. Non-players will have to stay in the audience area. Again, we'll have to stay in the audience area. And then just a reminder, we have a paid parking outside. So make sure you pay your parking appropriately. Thank you very much.
Hello to all Dubai Duty Free. Shout out HR Department, Merchandising, Perfume Shop, Display Department, Cash Office, EB, IT Department, Security, also back office. Stay healthy always and take care. Enjoy your life. Best regards to all my big boss. Stay healthy. Stay strong. And God bless to all. Hello to Ma'am Ibet, Ma'am Hazel, Ma'am Joy, Ma'am Tox, Ma'am Jasmine, also Ma'am Melanie. Stay beautiful always and take care. Hi to all my friends and colleagues from Nepal, Sri Lanka, Tunisia, Morocco, Emirati, Pakistan, India, Bangladesh, Morocco, Philippines, China, Egypt, Kazakhstan, Kyrgyzstan. Stay healthy, stay strong.
Ladies and gentlemen, Ricky Martin!
Mason, how are you? Ni hao ma. Regards to all Shipsy! Concourse A! Number 1, Rakam Wahid. Mia Mia. Kulo tamam. Hi to all Emirates Airline. Marhaba. Dinata. Transguard. G4S. And to all airport staff. Take care always, my friend. Shout out Sisley. More Sail. And Sunpit Story. Hello to all Terminal 2, Boss Edmond, Boss Edwin, Sir Philip, Ma'am Banji, shout out LeBron James, Shoktong, number 1, Mia Mia. Hi to all Fly Dubai and Al Maktoum Airport. Number 1, take care always. Enjoy your life. Hello to all HR department. Take care always. Best regards to all OFW, seaman, and sea woman. Enjoy your life.
Shoutout sa mga tropa ng CD, CA, CBCA, Amiya, andyan. Tsaka Tito. Ikaw, Joseph. At Tito Roy. Shoutout Tito Roy. Baka naman.
Shoutout sa cash office.
Kasobi, shout out. Number 1.
Nasaan yung cash office dito? Meron, di ba?
Right side.
Okay na, enjoy. Shoutout kay Boss Alan.
One to four, are you ready? Lanes 1 to 4, ready? Is that a yes? Okay, lanes 5 to 8, ready? Not yet. Ready? Okay, lanes number 9 to 12, ready? 13 to 16, are you ready? Alright, 17, 20, ready? 21, 24, ready? 25, 28, ready? 29, 32, ready? 33 and 35, ready? Okay, very good. Committee members, get ready for starting in 1 minute. Again, only the players will be allowed inside.
Let's eating guys! Join me! Mia. Number 1. Delicious. Rakam Wahed.
Please like and subscribe. Paki-share na rin para for notification sa mga videos. Yun lang.
Shout out.
Shout out.
Cartier number 1.
Cartier number 1.
Number 1.
Number 1.
Hello to Boss Roger, Ryan Lopez, Boss Arby, Kuya Ryan from Building 166. Also, Arben, Barry, Ron Keremit, happy vacation. Regards to JC Boss Sherwin, Boss Reggie, Ma'am Agnes, Ma'am Nelly. Shout out sa'yo, Roy the Legendary, Pareng Ian, Pareng Carlos, and Pareng Janelle. Stay pretty boy. Hello to Rosalinda Peregamo, Marisa Nang La Peri, Morcel. This is my friend, Blue T-shirt, Boss Marlon in the house, from Cash Office Department, Shipsy, number 1, Mia Mia. Shout out Concourse D and Perfume Shop. Also Jamila Warda, Rakam Wahid. Regards to Grace Catering, Al Ripay, Innovate, more sale my friend. Guys, don't forget, like, subscribe, and share my YouTube channel, Yorme23. Thank you very much. Stay healthy. Binabati kita, kaibigan ko, Alan Wine Advisor, Regan, Andrew, stay pretty boy, and shout out sa'yo, Katropang Miguel, Lover Boy, Albert Sards, Joel Dulo, Ron Chua, April Jan, Dominic Solis, Louie ng Chanel. Take care and enjoy your life. Regards to my friend, IT Department, Paring Janelle Panyero, Rakam Wahid,
Can you please step
Mia,
forward,
Mia.
Don Marmol? You are awarded
Kulo tamam.
Best Individual Uniform.
Stay pretty boy always. Hello to my big boss from Concourse A, Shipsy, Boss Sanjay, Boss Shapik, Boss Tangkachan. Stay healthy always, my big boss, and take care. This is my friend, my batchmate, Don Marmol, Best Individual Uniform, Rakam Wahid. The best team uniform, Terminal 2, Shipsy, number 1, number 8, Rakam Wahid, Mia Mia, congratulations. Thank you very much to all staff of Dubai Bowling International number 1. Special thanks to all my big boss of Dubai Duty Free. Thank you for the wonderful event. Stay safe. Stay healthy. Thank you for watching. Don't forget, subscribe Yorme 23. Thank you very much. We love you all. Maasalam. God bless.